While researching theories and studies related to goal-oriented planning, a rather interesting paper from 1974 came about. In the paper titled A Contingency Approach to Planning, Planning with Goals and Planning Without Goals, the author proposes an alternative framework to planning called directional planning. In this particular framework for planning without goals, the focus is on domain, or areas of opportunity, and direction, or the preferred methods of tackling the problem. The author argues that instead of specifying specific goals and missing out on key parts of self-development, individuals should determine a direction guided by intrinsic motivations rather than external goals. This aspect of directional planning makes it more adaptable to changes. There are some drawbacks to this type of planning, however, such as high stresses due to constant change and varied complexity, less efficient due to lack of structure, and ambiguity between concepts, such as goals, motivations, and values. Consequently, many goal-oriented theories and frameworks have been proposed since the introduction of directional planning in 1974. In the goal-oriented planning framework, I argue that we actually focus on directionality throughout the process by keeping our intrinsic motivations in mind, as well as our actual results versus desired outcomes. In doing so, we are able to fully evaluate and refine our process and become aware of opportunities which would have otherwise been unknown.